In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Trello Premium in just 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning to a different platform or simply want to revert to the free version, I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, you need to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to choose a preferred login method. For ease and speed, it's often convenient to use the Google Sign In option. Click on Google and you'll be directed to select the appropriate Google account associated with your Trello account. Ensure you've chosen the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once logged in, navigate to your Trello board. From here, look for the workspace settings. It can typically be found in the menu options, and clicking on it will bring up several settings related to your Trello workspace. This section provides various options, but today we'll focus on billing aspects. Within the workspace settings, locate and click on Billing. The billing page is where you manage all your subscription details and payment information. Here, you'll see any active subscriptions, methods of payment, and most importantly for today, the option to cancel your premium subscription. When you access the billing section, you'll find the specific area allowing you to cancel your premium subscription. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the cancellation process. Trello often guides you through a few confirmation steps to ensure the cancellation is intentional. Simply follow these steps carefully, confirming your choice as needed, and your subscription will be set to cancel by the end of the current billing cycle. It's worth noting that if you're currently on a free trial, you might not see an option to cancel the subscription. Since the trial is complimentary, there's no automatic renewal to worry about at this stage. You can simply let the trial period end without any further action, and you won't incur any charges. And there you have it, a straightforward method to cancel your Trello Premium subscription. Just remember, once you've cancelled, your current access will continue until the billing period concludes, after which you'll be reverted to the free version. Be sure to save any critical information or boards that require premium features beforehand, so your workflow remains uninterrupted. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Be sure to share your thoughts and let us know if there's anything else you'd like a detailed walkthrough on. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more how-tos like this one.